Hello food lovers! Christmas is coming and one of our favorite Christmas cookies are the chocolate crinkles. In a bowl, mix together 60 grams unsweetened cocoa powder, 205 grams granulated sugar and 60 milliliters sunflower oil or vegetable oil. Beat in 2 eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated. For an extra flavor, add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract and mix together until well combined. In another bowl, combine the dry ingredients. 130 grams all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. Incorporate the dry ingredients into the cocoa mixture and using a spatula, stir until a dough is formed. Transfer the dough on a medium bowl and cover it with wrap. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Now it's time to make the chocolate crinkles. Roll 1 tablespoon of dough into balls and coat each ball in confectioner's sugar. Place it onto the prepared baking trays lined with parchment paper. Bake them at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Allow to cool for 5 minutes because the cookies will come out soft from the oven and will harden up as they cool. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!